Greetings, Biology PLC. Hope y'all are keeping it as crunk as possible. I wanted to run through this Google Forms benchmark exam that we were trying to put together and talk through. So you probably got a link to get to this form. This is what the kids would see. You've got a spot to type in the name. Select teacher name. Now in the future, when the Google Apps for Education accounts get rolled out for all the kids, they'll have to log in just with like a Gmail account kind of password, and it'll automatically record their username and identity, and there's a level of security, password protected thing that would guarantee that it's an individual kid's work and not somebody else's. So this is kind of what it looks like. I want to show you real quick how to create this. So from Google Drive, which is found on this menu right here, you'd click the new button and go down to more and then forms, and that would create you a blank form in your Google Drive. And then you could start building it with whatever titles and types of questions. We want multiple choice or whatever. So we got this is the one that we put together today. It's 10 questions. It took me probably about a half an hour, and I really just like transposed the questions, typing them in from the workbook that I got at our meeting and a couple other resources I found online of just some sample questions. Wanted to point out that a question like this with a graphic is all legit. We can import a picture or image into this file pretty easy. It might take a little bit of cropping, like paintbrush, Microsoft Paint cropping, to get it to fit right, or cut certain pieces out. But we can get pictures in. We can get reading sections in. It's pretty open. Down the road, there are some options like only require one response per person, requires login, stuff that's there's gonna be some special features for people with Google Apps accounts. So a couple of y'all did the test, and it creates a new spreadsheet with the responses. So I took it with what I thought were the right answers. Me and Natalie were hanging out, so we just ran through and put a bunch of answers in, and the Queen of the World took it, and Mr. Barnes also took the exam. It shows timestamp of when they did it, and it shows their answers. Now to grade this test for us, there is a special add-on script. So you go to add-ons, get add-ons, and then you'd select you need to find the Flubaroo add-on, and it's really popular. So you'd click manage, and it would add this special script onto this spreadsheet. Since I've already done it, I'm not going to do it again, and then it'll show up on this. This tab is, the first time you do it, it's going to say grade assignment. So you'd hit this thing here, it says grade assignment, and you'd work through a couple of menus that are asking you what do you want, what are the questions worth, how many points. So you can say they're like identifying a student, or you can weight points for like if you want questions worth more or whatever, but for this we just wanted everything to be equal weighted. So you hit continue, and now you select the answer key. So since I'm issuing the test, I think my answers are right. We'd have an actual answer key, and make sure there's one correct answer key. So I'm gonna say continue, and then it is going to use the answers that I submitted and tabulate the and grade the entire assignment for everybody that's taken it. So after that is done, so this was our old spreadsheet with just the raw answers. Now it's created us a new spreadsheet with itemized responses from each question and each teacher. It highlights in orange the questions that were missed at a missed more than 40% of the time. So this is like an F score. So you can break it down and see who's doing really good. Oh, Queen of the World. Ooh, sorry, babe. We're going to have to get you in some remediation. Also gives you a little breakdown generally of the whole class. Now, where we need to take this, and which is going to require some next level spreadsheet crushing, is making a code for how to attach these questions to different standards. And that's what I got. I got to go. The phone's ringing.